the boss.
How are you?
Bro, listen, the way you do business, you do business so good, so good. I want it to look natural. Hey, my name is Kyle from Houston, Texas, and I started losing my hair about 9 years ago, and it was something for me that meant the world, that I wanted to have hair. I'm 33 right now, and I want a full head of hair, and just the opportunity that you could do a hair transplant. So I actually had a surgery 2 years ago in a different country, did not work at all. And just being here at Hair of Istanbul, where you know it's the best place, I believe, in the world to get a hair transplant, the moment you arrive in the airport, you can immediately see the difference and the quality and the, even from the point of my first surgery where one team did everything. They exported my hair, they, cut and they put it, planted back in, right? The whole process here is done by 3 different teams. So you know that your team isn't getting fatigued. You know your team is doing the best. They treat you so well here. The moment you land, there's somebody there waiting for you, and they are literally waiting on you hand and foot. The hotel is absolutely incredible. And I'm gonna tell you, I searched hard. I searched probably 50 to 60 different places, and this is the one that stood out to me just by the quality alone. And so if you're looking for a hair transplant, it's 100% the place to be, and you will not regret it, I promise you.